the tribal, religious and other backward sentiments in the fighters. And we have succeeded in raising the political consciousness of the fighters to a national level. And due to the present composition of our forces, there are some opportunistic, adventuristic tendencies. But we are doing our best to solve this problem by changing the social composition of our forces. That is, by increasing the number of workers and peasants and raising their ideological level to a higher degree.
With their political vigilance tempered by a new and valuable experience, our fighters have emerged bolder to firmly face the arduous reality of national liberation struggle, and also with an unbending dedication to put the front's program into practice.
Women are not participating in our struggle for liberation. This is because society discourages women from doing political activities. But now, due to education, they have started to be members of our underground organizations, and some join the front.
Memories.